Coinmarket Cap. It is my go-to website for cryptocurrency success. It has everything you need. It has current prices. It has historical prices. It has an about section. It shows you trends. It shows you 7-day trends, 24-hour trends, market highs, market lows, the coin compared to the total market cap of cryptocurrency. How many cryptocurrencies are out there? What kind are out there? What are the categories? What is DeFi? How do I get into it? What's an NFT? What platforms offer NFTs? All of that is available on coinmarketcap.com and more. Check out my video at this link and check it out. This is on my new channel, Teddy Ewing. I'll see you there. Everything you ever wanted to know about CoinMarketCap in excruciating length and excruciating detail. Invest in yourself 1% a day to reach your exponential greatness. I'll see you over there.